all excited about tonight's seminar? Yes? Okay, perfect. So I'm here to present Atomy basic information so that we understand better about the opportunities that Atomy offers. So please allow me to introduce a little bit about myself. My name is Gayoung Bae, Sharon Rose Master of Atomy Canada. I'm a full-time Atomian, also a proud mother of these two beautiful daughters, Aria and Ayla. Before I met Atomy, I had been working in food industry for 10 years, over 10 years as a trained chef. I was trained in French cuisine, so I know the secret in French cooking. But we are here to know about the secrets in Atomy business, right? So when Atomy business was introduced to me, I saw the opportunity to make this residual income. That's how I started building Atomy business. And I really want you guys to see what I saw when I first met Atomy. So what is Atomy? Atomy is a global company. Started from Korea in 2009. Atomy USA opened in 2010. Atomy Canada opened in 2011. Now Atomy is open in 27 different global regions. So including the countries in European Union, Atomy is open in 57 different countries. And Atomy has over 60 million global members as of 2023. So Atomy is a global company growing really fast into a global distribution hub. So what is platform business? We are all familiar with these companies on the slide, right? Everyone knows Amazon, Uber, Spotify, Netflix, YouTube. These are the platform business companies, and they are connecting to different parties. So for example, Amazon is connecting sellers and buyers, and Uber Taxi is connecting taxi drivers and the passengers who need taxi service. And YouTube is connecting media creator and viewer. Atomy is also platform business company connecting manufacturing companies and the members like us. But unlike these current platform business companies, through Atomy platform, not only the platform business company Atomy and manufacturing company can generate the revenue, but also members like us can generate income from Atomy. So what's on Atomy platform? Atomy carries daily essentials, the products that we use every day. So if you don't shop from Atomy shopping mall, you will probably need to go to a different store to buy your daily essentials. And this is our product concept, absolute quality products and an absolute price, which means Atomy carries the amazing quality products and a reasonable price that no other company can compete. Let's talk about some main products. Who is excited about our Absolute Skincare set? Yes? And who wants to be looking younger? Everyone, right? We know that we can't stay young forever, but we would love to be looking younger every day. So try our Absolute Skincare set. This is the aging skincare line, which means that if you use this Absolute Skincare set, your skin will younger every day, right? So you will be experiencing how your skin tone gets so much brighter and your wrinkles will be reduced. And also you will notice how your skin gets so much tighter and lifted. I guarantee 100% satisfaction. And Hemohim. Hemohim is a herbal extract which helps boost your immune system. So Hemohim wasn't developed by some pharmaceutical company. It was developed by the Korea Atomic Energy Research Institute. So this is a government-funded institute, and all the top scientists in Korea work here doing research and development. and they are exposed to radiation all the time. That's how they have a weak immune system, and they get sick so easily, and it really affected their work span of time. That's how Korean government, as a national project, invested $5 million to create something to boost the immune system of the scientists. That's how Hemoim was developed. And thanks to Atomy, not only Koreans have access to it. Since Atomy is going global, people all around the world have access to it and having a great result from Hemoim. So we talked about the company Atomy, also the products. Now we need to know how we can generate residual income from Atomy. Let's talk about marketing plan. Atomy's marketing plan is very simple. It's so simple that anyone and everyone can start the business right away. Atomy offers a free membership. You can sign up for free, and there is no ownership, which means you don't have to buy or sell every month. So you shop at Atomy shopping mall only when you need Atomy products. And there is no monthly or annual fees, and there's no starter package for you to buy to start the business. So no obligations whatsoever. Whenever you shop at Atomy shopping mall, you collect the points. For example, you buy Absolute skincare set, you earn 150,000 points. You buy a box of Himohim, you get 60,000 points. So whenever you log into your Atomy account and purchase the products, you collect the points. The points that you have in your account is called personal PV, personal point value, right? And you share it to other people, and your members purchase the products, and they collect their points in their account as well. And you get their points as your group points because they are your members in your group, right? So personal PV and group PV. And Atomy has a binary system, which means you join as a member and you want to build the Atomy business, you only need to make 2 lines. Make it simple. One on your left, the other one on your right side, right? And Atomy has unlimited level and unlimited accumulation marketing plan, which means you can register as many people as you can under you. So they can be registered by you, they can be registered by your consumers or business partners, or they can be registered by your online sponsors. It doesn't matter who registered them as long as they're under you. They're all your members. And whenever your members purchase products, when we purchase the products, we earn points, right? So whenever your members purchase products, they collect the points. And you get 100% of their points as your group points because we have unlimited accumulation marketing. And we are all connected with Global One ID. Atomy is open in 57 different countries. So if you know anyone from those countries where Atomy is open, or if your members know anyone from those countries, they can sign up under you. So whenever they go into Atomy USA website, and Atomy Canada, Atomy Korea, Atomy Philippines, and they purchase products, you get their points as well, because we are all connected with Global One ID. You are a member with Atomy Canada, but that does mean you limit your business in Canada only, right? It really gives you global business opportunity. So out of 100% of the points that company earns every day, company keeps 30% as their profit and gives away 70% to the members. Does it sound fair? Does it sound very generous? Right? So out of the 70%, 44% is for the general commission, and 20% is for the mastership bonus, and 6% is for the education center managers who runs education programs at their center. So today you want to know how you can make general commission and mastership bonus from your Atomy business. And this is how you can get general commission. Whenever you shop, you collect the points, right? So when you have 300,000 points in your account, right? And you share it to your members. You have a members on your left side, and you have a members on your right side. Whenever your members purchase products, you collect their points as a group points. So when you have minimum 300,000 points from your left group, and you have 300,000 points from your right group, and you yourself have 300,000 points in your account, you get plus minus $60 as a general commission. And if your group on your left and right side generates 300,000 points every day, that means you can get a commission every day. Not bad, right? And there is no cutoff date. So it depends on how many members you have and how active they shop on their shopping mall. It may take different time for you to accumulate 300,000 points from each side. So it can take 1 week or 1 month or 5 months, right? But it doesn't matter how long it takes, as long as you have 300,000 points from each side, you can get a commission from Atomy. And after you get your commission, your left and right side group points reset to 0, right? So you got cashed out, but the points that you have in your account remains forever, as long as you keep your membership active. Everyone starts with $60 as a general commission, but the maximum general commission amount that you can get from Atomy is $1,200 a day, okay? Which means that it doesn't matter when you start the Atomy business. Some might start from today, some might start in 2 years, right? Some started 10 years ago, but everyone have a fair chance to receive the maximum general commission amount of $1,200 a day because of this fair ceiling cap system. If $1,200 a day as a general commission is not enough, you can work towards your mastership bonus. So Atomy has 7 different masterships. You start with a sales master, diamond, Sharon Rose, star, royal crown, and imperial master. So whenever you achieve or maintain your masterships, you get mastership bonus on top of your general commission. And the numbers that you see on the slide is only one-time cash bonus. This is only for one-time cash bonus. So for example, you achieve your diamond mastership for the first time, you get a commission and mastership bonus, and you get $1,000 cash bonus. And you become an imperial master, you get mastership bonus and the general commission, and you will get one-time $1 million cash bonus. So when you achieve all 7 different masterships from Atomy, you can earn over $1.3 million cash bonus. Aren't you guys excited? Yes. So if you want to know more about Atomy, you are welcome to join Atomy's success system. Atomy has seminars like today's seminar is called one-day seminar. We have a one-day seminar once a month, and Success Academy twice a year. And we have a weekly meetings available at different education center, and also online learning programs such as Go Sales Master Camp, ABR, and everyone is welcome to join and learn more about Atomy. And the residual income that you get from Atomy can pass down to your kids and your grandkids, which means that you can pass down your time freedom and financial freedom to your kids and your grandkids. We cannot change our past, right? And it is very difficult to change our current situation. But we can definitely change our future with the decision that you make today. And I really want you guys to make a smart choice with Atomy for a brighter future. Thank you so much for listening, and see you everyone at the top.